Prompt engineering for specific tasks, tailoring your prompts. Want AI to write a poem, translate a language, or solve a math problem? It all starts with the right prompt. Adapting prompts to different tasks. Content generation. When prompting for content generation, provide specific guidelines regarding the desired style, tone, and format. For example, if you want a poem, specify the rhyme scheme, meter, and theme. Summarization. For summarization tasks, clearly indicate the desired length and level of detail. Provide specific instructions on which aspects of the text to focus on. Question answering. When asking questions, ensure they are clear, concise, and avoid ambiguity. Provide any relevant context or background information that might be helpful. Creative writing. For creative writing tasks, encourage the LLM to be imaginative and explore different perspectives. Provide prompts that stimulate creativity and inspire unique ideas, utilizing task-specific templates. Pre-designed templates. Employ pre-designed templates to streamline the prompt creation process and ensure consistency. Templates can provide a structured framework for different types of tasks. Customization. Customize templates to fit your specific needs by adding or removing elements, adjusting the level of detail, or changing the tone. Efficiency and consistency. Using templates can save time and effort, while also ensuring that your prompts are consistent and well structured. Experimentation and iteration. Continuous improvement. Experiment with different prompts and iterate on your approach to achieve optimal results. Feedback and refinement. Gather feedback on the LLM's outputs and use it to refine your prompt. A/B testing. Test different prompts to compare their effectiveness and identify the best approach for a given task. Ethical considerations. Bias mitigation. Be aware of potential biases in prompts and data, and strive to create unbiased and inclusive AI systems. Avoid using prompts that perpetuate stereotypes or discrimination. Misinformation prevention. Ensure that prompts and responses do not contribute to the spread of misinformation or harmful content. Be mindful of the potential consequences of the generated content. Privacy and security. Protect user privacy and avoid using prompts that could compromise sensitive information. Be aware of data privacy regulations and ensure compliance. By following these guidelines and considering ethical implications, you can effectively tailor prompts to specific tasks and leverage the full potential of LLMs in various applications. Prompt engineering, a deep dive. Advanced techniques and considerations. Hierarchical prompting. Decompose complex tasks. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. This allows the LLM to focus on each step individually, improving accuracy and reducing the likelihood of errors. Create a hierarchy of prompts. Develop a series of prompts that guide the LLM through the task sequentially. This structured approach helps the LLM understand the overall goal and follow a logical progression. Leverage intermediate outputs. Utilize the outputs from earlier prompts as inputs for subsequent ones. This enables the LLM to build upon its understanding and produce more coherent and informative responses. Example: to generate a comprehensive product review, you could first prompt the LLM to identify the product's key features. Then, based on the identified features, you could ask the LLM to evaluate each feature's performance. Finally, you could request a comprehensive summary of the review, incorporating the insights from the previous steps. Few-shot learning. Provide a few examples. Present the LLM with a small set of examples that demonstrate the desired behavior. This helps the LLM learn patterns and generalize them to new inputs. Learn from examples. LLMs can quickly adapt to new tasks by learning from a limited number of examples. This is particularly useful for tasks with limited training data or when rapid deployment is required. Fine-tune for specific tasks. Use few-shot learning to tailor the LLM's capabilities to specific domains or tasks. This can enhance performance and accuracy in specialized applications. Example: to train an LLM to generate creative writing prompts, you could provide it with a few examples of different prompt styles, such as sci-fi, fantasy, or historical fiction. By analyzing these examples, the LLM can learn to generate prompts that capture the essence of each genre and inspire creativity. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can unlock the full potential of prompt engineering and create even more sophisticated and impactful AI applications. Prompt engineering, a deep dive. Advanced techniques and considerations. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. Train models on human feedback, collect human ratings or preferences to guide the LLM's learning. This allows the LLM to learn from human expertise and align its responses with human values. Iterative process. Continuously refine the LLM's behavior based on feedback. This iterative process helps the LLM improve over time and become more aligned with human expectations. Improve alignment with human values. Ensure that the LLM's outputs align with desired ethical and moral principles. This is crucial for developing AI systems that are trustworthy and responsible. Example: to train an LLM to generate helpful and informative responses to customer inquiries, you could collect feedback from human users on the LLM's responses. By analyzing this feedback, you can identify areas where the LLM is falling short and adjust its training data or algorithms accordingly. Meta-learning. Learn to learn. Train the LLM to learn new tasks quickly and efficiently. This enables the LLM to adapt to new challenges and situations without requiring extensive retraining. Adapt to new scenarios. Enable the LLM to generalize its knowledge to unseen tasks or domains. This improves the LLM's versatility and applicability to a wider range of problems. Improve generalization capabilities. Enhance the LLM's ability to transfer knowledge and skills from one task to another. This helps the LLM become more adaptable and efficient. Example: a meta-learning approach could be used to train an LLM to solve various mathematical problems. By learning from a diverse set of problems, the LLM can develop general problem-solving strategies that can be applied to new and unfamiliar problems. Contextual understanding. Maintain conversational context. Remember previous interactions and use that information to inform future responses. This helps the LLM create more coherent and engaging conversations by building upon the established context. Understand nuances and implications. Capture the subtleties and underlying meanings of text. This ability allows the LLM to interpret and respond to prompts in a more nuanced and accurate manner. Provide relevant and informative responses. Tailor outputs to the specific context and user needs. This ensures that the LLM's responses are not only informative but also relevant and helpful to the user. Example: a well-trained LLM should be able to maintain a coherent conversation, remembering previous topics and building upon the discussion. For instance, if a user asks about a specific product, the LLM should be able to recall previous mentions of that product and provide relevant information. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can unlock the full potential of prompt engineering and create even more sophisticated and impactful AI applications. By understanding the nuances of prompt design, leveraging external tools, and considering ethical implications, you can become a proficient prompt engineer and contribute to the advancement of AI technology.